And welcome back, Grillman's Garage. We're outside today. It's a really hot day today. All the bugs are out. It's almost 30 degrees Celsius. Incredible. A week ago, it was like 10 above. It was cold. Now it's like 30. Ridiculous. But we've got the DJI Avata 360, and we've had some comments on not only my videos, but other people's videos. We see all this fancy stuff when you're flying a 360 and the way that you make a linear video out of it and all that. But what are you actually flying? We see all this fancy footwork kind of thing, but what are you seeing when you're flying? So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to do a simple flight around a house, and you're going to see it in the corner as the camera view, and you're going to see what we do with it and how to manipulate it so you know what we're flying. Okay? So let's get it up in the air. Let's get going. We got it here, 8K60. That's fine. Whoa. Here we go. Up and at 'em. Start the video. Here we go. We're going to go in city mode. Forward. Nice and slow. My goodness, the bugs are bad out here. Okay. We're up a little bit. We'll keep it about that high. Okay, here we go. Straight around. We're up about 2 meters. There we go. Okay. Around the corner. Here we go. Well, the bugs are bad. And we go this way, up a little bit. Okay. We come down a bit. There we go. Just around the whole place here. And back to the home point. There we go, and I'm standing right here. We're just gonna back it in, and we'll just call it a day, and that's about it. Okay, there we go. Let's just back it in, where we're supposed to be here. And we'll back it in here. Back it up a bit. Oh well, you're gonna have to pick it up, I guess. Here we go. As soon as you hold down enough, it says landing, and it landed on my pizza box. There we go. Let's have a look at it, and as I said, you'll see it in the corner. You've already seen it there. Leave a comment below. What do you think? Hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell. Have a nice day. Bye now.